Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open lower. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.1% fall. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 1.2% lower at 7,570 points. Bapcor has flagged that weak conditions in its retail operations would drive net profit lower in the June half. The company, responsible for the Autobarn, Autopro and Burson brands, has been in a trading halt for the last two sessions following the surprising announcement that its incoming CEO Paul Dumbrell would not be joining the company just 2 days before he was due to start. Bapcor said net profit after tax for the full year would be between 93 million to 97 million, after first half net profit after tax was 54.2 million, after weaker consumer spending and higher costs. Trading is expected to resume on Thursday, and Mark Bernhard will continue as interim CEO and managing director while the board begins a new executive search. National Australia Bank has announced it will raise its ongoing on-market share buyback by $1.5 billion. The company also declared an 84 cents per share interim dividend, following the bank posting a statutory profit of $3.49 billion for the 6 months to the end of March, which is an increase of 1.4%. Cash earnings were down 12.8%, and the company said revenue has softened from strong first half 23 levels as the benefits of a higher interest rate environment have been offset by competition, but at the same time cost pressures remain elevated. Perth-based rare earth company Meteoric Resources has announced a non-binding memorandum of understanding to supply 3,000 tonnes of rare earths per year from its Brazilian project to Toronto-listed Neo Performance Materials. Neo provides high-performance magnetics for automotives, residential appliances and other industries, and its rare earth separation facility is in Estonia. Pricing of the offtake agreement is still under final negotiation. Meteoric stock is up 34% over the past year and last closed at 22 cents. US markets closed mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.23%, the S&P 500 lost 0.34%, while the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.33%. London's FTSE fell 0.3%, while Frankfurt and Paris were closed. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 0.3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng and China's Shanghai Composite were both closed. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast.